A heat map chart displays comparative data where the values are represented as color patterns in a chart. Creating a heat map helps convey information instantly by combining elements from several sources into one. A heat map can display large amounts of data in their entirety because values are replaced by colors. This condensed, color-coded format provides an easy-to-understand overview of data. A heat map is useful when comparing performance between companies, markets, or investments, identifying the level of performance between departments of a business, setting investment priorities and highlighting areas of concern, presenting vast statistical data and data sets, and rating and categorizing places, people, performances, or jobs. To create a heat map chart, drag and drop the object from the visualization bundle to your sheet. Add a first dimension, for example, product name. Add the second dimension, in this case, the order date week. Then, as a measure, add the sum of sales. Then you can customize the chart the way you prefer. For example, you can change the sorting of the visualization. In Add-on, we select Data Handling and we are going to remove the zero values. In the Appearance section, you can change the color schema. Then you can set your own label color. In this case, we toggle off the Show Legend option. Then, you can adjust the Y-axis and the X-axis label sizes. In this way, the dimensions values will be displayed. And here's the heat map you just created. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.